Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Gulwari. I am Joycey, your maths teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe in your home.
Children, we have almost completed our third lesson. So today, let us discuss some exercise problems from this lesson. In this lesson, we have learned the numbers up to 100. Now, we know how to read and write the numbers up to 100, right? See children, here I have written the numbers from 1 to 100. Here we can see 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit numbers, isn't it? That is, the numbers from 1 to 9 are called 1 digit numbers. Then the numbers from 10 to 99 are called 2 digit numbers. Then tell me children, how many digits are there in 100? Yes, 3. So we can say that 100 is a 3 digit number and also 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. Can you say which is the smallest 1 digit number? Yes, 1, and 9 is the biggest 1 digit number. Then tell me which is the smallest 2 digit number? Yes, 10. 10 is the smallest 2 digit number and 99 is the biggest 2 digit number. Okay. Do you know children how many digits does the number after 99 have? We know after 99 100 will come. We know 100 is a 3 digit number, right? In this lesson, we have learned how to write the number names. I am going to write a number. See, how do you read this number? Yes, it is 25. We know how to write this number in words. That is, first we will write 20, then 5. In this way, we can write any number in words, right? Let us see some examples. 32, 55, 64, 76, 99, then 100. See children, what is the spelling of 100? Yes, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Okay. Children, you have to practice how to write the spellings of number. Will you practice it? Okay. We know there are two places in a 2-digit number, that is tens and ones. Let us see some examples. Here 23. Tell me children, how many tens and ones are there in 23? Yes, 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. Let us see one more example. 72. Here we can see there are 7 tens and 2 ones in 72. I am going to give you one more number. 91. Tell me children, how many tens and ones are there in 91? Yes, this number has 9 tens and 1 1. Is it clear children? Yes. We learned how to compare numbers. We have 3 rules for comparison. The first rule, a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. Then the second rule, the number which has a bigger tens digit is bigger. Then the third rule, the number with the bigger ones digit is bigger. So we can use these rules for comparing numbers. See children, here you can see 4 numbers, 75, 63, 82, 44. Which is the smallest number? Yes, we can use the rules for comparison, right? So, what is the first rule? Yes, a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number. Here, all the numbers are 2-digit numbers. So, let us compare the tens digit. We know the number which has bigger tens digit is bigger. So, what are the tens digits here? Yes, 7, 6, 8, 4. So, tell me which is the smallest number? Yes, 4 is the smallest number. So, we can say that 44 is the smallest number. Let us solve one more problem. Here you can see 4 numbers, 47, 97, 37, 87. Children, you have to find out which is the biggest number. Here all the numbers are two-digit numbers. So let us compare the tens place digit. Here the tens digits are 4, 9, 3, 8. Which is the biggest number? Yes, we know 9 is the biggest number. So we can say that 97 is the biggest number. Okay. In this lesson, we have learned about ascending and descending order. Do you remember that? Yes. In ascending order, we will arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. And in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Examples. See children, here you can see four numbers 46, 81, 48, 92. Let us see how to arrange these numbers in ascending order. We know ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Here all the numbers are two-digit numbers, right? So let us compare the tens digit. But here two numbers have the same tens digit, that is 46 and 48. So let us compare their ones digit. 46 has 6 ones and 48 has 8 ones. So tell me children, which is smaller, 6 or 8? Yes, 6. So let us write 46 as the smallest number. Then we can write 48. Tell me children, 81 or 92? Which is the smaller number? Yes, 81. Then we write 92. Next, let us see how to arrange numbers in descending order. We know in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Example, 45, 34, 97, 67. Tell me children, how you arrange these numbers in descending order? First, we have to find out which is the biggest number. For that, we have to compare the tens digit because all the numbers are two-digit numbers. The tens digits are 4, 3, 9, 6. Which is the biggest? Yes, 9. So we can say that 97 is the biggest number. Then 6 is the biggest number. So let us write 67 as the next number. Then 4 or 3, which is bigger? Yes, 4. So let us write 45, then 34. See children, in this way you can write the numbers in ascending order or descending order. Remember, in ascending order we will arrange numbers from smallest to biggest, and in descending order we will arrange numbers from biggest to smallest. Next, let us discuss some exercise problems in your textbook. The first one, choose the correct answer. Here you can see three problems. Let us solve these problems. The first one, 72 is bigger than dash. Here you can see four numbers 9, 73, 79 and 75. Here we have to find out a number which is smaller than 72 because the question is 72 is bigger than dash. Tell me children, which number is smaller than 72? Yes, 9. So we can say that 72 is bigger than 9. Okay, the next question, 39 is smaller than dash. Here we have four numbers 38, 40, 37 and 29. Here we have to find out a number which is bigger than 39 because our question is 39 is smaller than dash. Tell me children, which number is bigger than 39? Yes, 40. So we can say that 39 is smaller than 40. The next question, 90 comes between dash. Our options are 96 and 98, 89 and 91, 79 and 81 and 9 and 10. We know 90 comes between 89 and 91. Is it clear? Okay. We learned how to write the expanded form of a number. For example, 34. How do you write the expanded form of this number? Yes. We know 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones. So let us write 34 is equal to 3 tens plus 4 ones. We know the value of 3 tens equal to 30. Then the value of 4 ones equal to 4. So we can write 30 plus 4. See, 30 plus 4 is the expanded form of 34. In this way, you can write the expanded form of any number, right? Next, let us solve some story sums. The first question, in a cricket match, Shikhar scored 68 runs and Raina scored 86 runs. Who scored more runs? So here we have to find out which number is bigger, 68 or 86. We know 86 is the bigger number. That means Raina scored more runs. Okay, let us solve the next question. Sarah got 89 marks in a maths test. Her teacher gave her one more mark for neat work. How many marks did Sarah get? Here Sarah already got 89 marks and her teacher gave her one more mark. So Sarah's total mark is 89 plus 1. So we have to find out what is 89 plus 1. We learned the properties of addition. Do you remember that? Yes, adding 1 to a number gives the number that comes after. So tell me children, which number comes after 89? Yes, 90. So her total mark is 90. The next question, in a test of 50 marks, 4 students got the following marks. Nasim 43, Harinder 40, Mary 47, Mohan 39. Who got the highest marks? See children, here we have to find out which is the biggest number, 43, 40, 47 and 39. Let us compare the tens digit. But three numbers have the same tens digit. So let us compare their ones digit, that is 3, 0, 7. Tell me which is the biggest one? Yes, 7. So we can say that Mary got the highest mark, that is 47 is the biggest number. Then the next question, Banu had 60 stamps, he lost 1 stamp. How many stamps does he have now? That is, Banu had 60 stamps and he lost 1 stamp. So now Banu has 60 minus 1 stamp. We have to find out what is 60 minus 1. We learned subtracting 1 from a number gives the number before. So tell me children, which number comes before 60? Yes, 59. That is, Banu has 59 stamps. Okay. So I hope you have understood today's class. Today we revised the lesson 3 numbers up to 100. Children, I have attached one test paper along with this video. All of you attend the test paper. Okay. So study well and practice well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.